Okay, Monica, your microphone is muted. You'll have to unmute your microphone. Um, or leave. Okay. And Anna Carolina, do you know what you're going to do with the rest of your day?
I will study English and rest,
Okay,
and I'm
sounds
trying
reasonable.
to call the manicure to come here.
Uh, the manicurist, I think.
Yes, the
Manicurist?
manicurist. Sorry.
No worries. I don't even know that word. If I think it's correct. Um, it might be something to look up.
How do you call people who
I know what you're talking about. I just don't know the word for it. It is a manicurist. So it's a manicurist, somebody who does your nails. Um, okay. And we also have Santiago. Welcome to class. How's it going, Santiago?
Hello, Joshua. Can you hear me?
Mm-hmm. Can hear you very
Okay,
well.
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Doing really well. New picture.
Yes, it was in Amsterdam 2 weeks ago.
Cool. It's a really pretty one. Nice. And yeah, what have you been up to, Santiago?
Today, well, nothing special. Just this morning, I have been working until 3 p.m. and that's all.
Okay.
After that, I had lunch, and now I'm going to take some classes on Berlin.
Nice. All right. And Anatoly, welcome to class as well. Anatoly, how's it going?
Hello, I am fine, thank you. How are you?
Doing well, thanks. And Anatoly, what have you been up to today?
Today was a day off for me, for my country, uh, and nothing special. I visited with my wife, my parents, and
Okay.
that's all.
Nice. Doesn't sound bad. And Ken, welcome to class as well. Ken, how's it going?
Yes, I'm fine. How are you?
Doing well, thanks. Um, and yeah, Ken, what have you been up to?
Yeah, same old. Yeah, I
Okay.
took some class and chatted with my American friends.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nice.
and
Have you eaten dinner yet? I imagine you've eaten dinner yet.
pardon?
You ate dinner? What'd you have for dinner?
Ah, sure, because it's late at night, and
Yeah.
yeah, I today I drank a red wine a bit to
Okay.
relax, and then I ate dinner a little by little,
Nice.
gradually.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just snacking. All right. Cool. Um, I think that's everybody. Let's get started with today's class. Um, and let's start with Anatoly. Can you read the title and the next lines?
Okay, business performance, booms and busts. Busts. Today we will learn how to talk about business cycles, business markets, market trends.
Perfect. Well done. And let's have Anatoly, can you ask Rebecca the first question?
Okay, Rebecca, what is the stock market?
The stock market, well, maybe saying, watching the picture.
Maybe looking at the picture.
Okay. Maybe looking at the picture, I'd say, is the market about good? You know, what's the expression? Faith? No. You know, yeah, that is my question. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Okay, the market about goods. I think maybe a little bit different. Maybe Santiago, do you think you could explain what the stock market is? Santiago, are you there? Okay. Ken, what about you? Can you explain what the stock market is?
Our stock market is people, how can I say, invest, buy the stock for investing company, and that invested company can get money from that stock owner to run a business or to start a business.
Yeah. For and the company can receive money for
For running the business, running their business,
to run
to run
their
their business.
business from those stockholders.
Yes.
Perfect. Yeah. Okay. Good. That's definitely it. I'd say it's okay. And maybe. Oh, Ali, welcome to class. Ali, how's it going?
Yeah, hello. How are you doing? Great. Feeling great.
Okay, nice. Welcome to class. And Ken, can you ask Anna Carolina the next question?
Okay, Anna, do you invest in the stock market? Why or why not?
I have a portfolio there, and yes, but I don't know how to speculate. If I knew, I would make money.
Okay.
And
Can you explain what a portfolio is?
is when you have money there with and when you have some shares, some stocks, when you are like a shareholder from some companies, or sometimes it's a group of investors
Yeah.
together.
So when you're a shareholder in a number of different companies, when you invest in companies as a group, kind of, yeah, it would be a portfolio. So you invest with other people. Good. I don't know how to speculate. If I knew, I would make money. Good. That's a good answer. Good grammar. And Anna Carolina, can you ask Anatoly the next question?
Anatoly, what do you think of when you think of business?
About when I think about business, or just a general question.
It's a super general question. Like, really, you could answer anything. It's like, what comes to mind when you think about business? Do you think about lots of money? Do you think about lots of work? Do you think about the stock market? Or, yeah, what do you think about when you think about business?
Firstly, I think the business is. I think firstly about money. The second about market. The next about productions, companies. About structure, management, or in these companies. About people who work there, businessmen, businesswomen.
About people who work, businessmen. Nice. And business woman. Nice. Okay. That's a good answer.
By the way, business woman or business women, because I'd like to pluralize it.
Business women would be pluralized.
Women.
Women.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well done. And okay. Does anybody have any questions here? Okay. Let's go through the vocabulary words. Rebecca, can you read through the... Oh, Did you have a question, Ali?
Yeah, sorry. What's the meaning of speculate?
Okay. Who knows speculate?
You pay attention at the prices in the market, in the stock market. Then you try to foresee if you have to go longer or short according to the predictions in the market. Some people are very good at it, and they can know exactly how they have to sell, when they have to buy, and those people make a lot of money because they kind of predict the future.
Yeah,
Can
exactly.
I say go longer or go short, or is it wrong?
I wouldn't say that. That'd be just a little bit confusing. I wouldn't really know what you're trying to say.
Go long when you keep your stocks with you for a long time, and then you
Hmm.
know
You could
I'm
say like if you want to keep like they know when to keep their stocks for a long time and whoa. Oh, hold on. I don't know how that happened. Um, so like when um you have to yeah, hold on to your stocks for a long time or sell them quickly. We wouldn't say go long or go short. It's a little bit too vague. Hopefully that makes sense. And right. Hopefully that makes sense. That sounded good. That was a good definition. Um, does anybody else have any other questions? Okay, let's go on to the vocabulary words, and let's have no. Rebecca, can you read through these words?
Microphone always is a problem. Boom bust cycle. Stock market collapse. Bonds. Default. Booming. Boom slump. Bubble. Bull market. Bear market.
Okay, maybe boom slump.
Boom slump.
Yeah, and okay, maybe default.
Default.
Yeah, good. Other than that, that sounded good. Bull market, bear market. Okay. Does anybody have any questions about any of these words?
I don't remember who is bull market, who is bear. I remember that the first one tend to buy, the second to sell, but maybe in other order.
Okay. So, uh, Rebecca, hold on. I'm gonna. Oh, thank. Um, I don't remember what bull market and bear market mean. Can you repeat that? Um, Anatoly?
I don't remember what bull market, bar market, or bear market mean.
Good. And so who can explain bull market and bear market?
I think both are same meaning, right?
They have similar but opposite
Okay.
meanings.
Bull market, I know bull market. Bull market is, people buy a stock a lot in high price. That's bull market.
Hmm. Yep. And a bear market?
I don't know, maybe same. I don't know the difference.
It's the opposite.
Opposite, wow. But the bull and bear are also strong. Both are strong, but anyway, okay.
So if we look at the shape, so if we're thinking about a bear, it kind of has its head towards the ground. So this is a really terrible bear, but that's like the best I can draw on the computer. So that's a kind of a bear. Head is towards the ground. And if you look at a bull, its rear legs are pretty short, and then it's got like that big back So that's kind of the worst bull that you'll ever
Okay.
see.
It's
But
because of the shape.
yeah, it's because of the shape. It's like the shape of the market. So if something's going down, it's a bear market because bears look towards the ground. And if it's going up, it's a bull market because bulls have that small hind legs and then they kind of go up in the air. Hopefully that makes sense. So this would be a bear market and this would be a bull market, if that makes sense. And any other questions?
I have a question, Joshua. Slump? Slump
Okay, slump. Who knows what slump is?
is the opposite to boom?
Yes, a boom is the opposite of a slump. So what's a boom?
When something is increasing or is something, well, the bull market, when, for example, with properties in the last year here in Spain, when all people were selling their houses for very high prices, it's the bubble. And this is when it was the boom, and after that it was the slump when the high prices of the buildings of the flats was decreasing a lot.
Yeah.
So
Okay, exactly.
I got it. Okay.
So yeah, boom is up and a slump is down in a market.
Talking about
And
the economy.
yeah, and a boom bust cycle is kind of just that cycle of ups and downs that the market will go through. Yeah, so hopefully that makes sense. Boom bust cycle. Stock market collapse. Does anybody know what that is?
I guess it's the only one that I know, but I'm not sure. I think it is when all companies go bankrupt, like what happened in the US a long time ago. Yes or no? At first they in 2019. First they misled people by selling and buying between them, and everyone was seeing a slump in everything, and they thought it would be the best investment ever, and a lot of people put their money there, and they went bankrupt. But the guy who was the cleaner there kept all the papers, and nowadays his family is one of the richest in the US.
He kept all the papers?
The cleaner, one of the richest guys ever in the world. He was a cleaner there, and people were throwing their stocks away because some stocks don't have the person name on them. And the guy was really smart because he didn't sue anyone. He just kept the papers.
Interesting. Haven't heard about that.
And before, when there was a boom, he became one of the richest. I don't remember his name, but a teacher, a history teacher, explained to me.
Interesting. Okay. And okay. Other questions before we move on?
Please, also don't know the vocabulary.
Okay. Let's
just
so we're
boom
with
and collapse.
Okay. So I think we're with Santiago. Do you know what a bond is? Santiago?
Yeah, I think it's like shares or something like that, a part of a small part of a company, or when you invest in a company, you can buy a small part of the company. And if this company is selling a lot of products, or they are higher in the stock market, you can buy these shares for more money than you bought before.
Okay.
So
So
it's
a share is a little bit different than a bond. Really similar. So a bond is like if you're investing in something, you give them money, they give you a bond, and so the bond increases in value, but you don't own a part of the company, but it's really similar, just not owning.
bond is something that comes from the government. It's a
Yeah, often it's from the government. You can get a bond from a company, but government bonds are generally the most common.
okay.
But yeah, good. And Ken, can you explain what a bubble is?
Bubble is the state of economy, and the economy expands unrealistic level. For example, land price in Tokyo in bubble time rose very high level. So people invested a lot for the real estate at that time. But after the bubble, how can I say, burst,
Exactly.
yeah, many people, that land price were kind of condominium price, get down a lot. So many people went bankrupt.
Yeah. So exactly. You have a bubble, and a bubble is when the prices of things get really, really high, unrealistically high, and eventually people stop believing that the price is worth what people are paying, and everything falls to really low levels. So that is a bubble. And booming, again, just boom. Default? Does anybody, maybe Ali, can you explain what it means to default?
I think default is like you cannot pay or something. You don't commitment about your obligation. You can commit your obligation. For example, like you cannot buy the contract that you can committed about it, or buy money for a car or something like that.
Okay, yeah, so you can't pay off the contract that you committed to, something like that. Yeah, so if
Yeah.
you're defaulting, you owe money because of something, and if you default, you can't pay that money off. It's like you don't have it. So you default on your loan. Good, I think that's it, hopefully. Let's go through these and
Teacher,
practice.
boom
Yes.
bust cycle, please.
Okay. I think you can get it. I think you can get it if we know boom. And bust is kind of to break. So we're going to use it here. Let's see if you can get it. Can you try the first sentence, Ana Carolina?
Okay, an economic blank is a period of increased demand and production. Boom, economic boom.
Exactly. Good pronunciation too. And Anatoly, what about the next one?
And the period of booming economic growth inevitably peaks, following which there is stock market collapse, maybe slump.
Yeah, slump would be better. stock market collapse is like it's more than just a downturn in the economy. It's like a total disaster of the economy.
Slump.
Yeah. Can you repeat following? Following.
Following.
Yeah, and then inevitably.
Inevitably.
Nice. Inevitably. It's good. It's a tough word. Well done. Rebecca, what about the next one?
Okay, next one. This pattern is known as the business cycle, and a good example of this cycle is called the I don't know, I forgot something cycle. Moon cycle.
All right, so we've already used boom and slump.
Well, so the booming cycle. Boom bust.
Yeah. Boom. Okay, so a boom bust cycle is again, it's the business cycle. It's just a period of growth, and then a period of slumping, and then a period of growth, and then a period of decay. So it's just that cycle. Hopefully that makes sense. Santiago, what about the next one?
Okay. A booming market is good for shareholders.
Yeah, keep going. Finish the sentence.
Okay, but when the economy slumps, it can be how do you pronounce
Accompanied.
Okay, accompanied by a stock market collapse when the value of shares on the exchange falls significantly.
Yeah, on the can you repeat exchange?
Exchange.
Exchange. Yeah, exchange. Good. And somebody's making a lot of noise. Rebecca, can you mute your microphone when you're not speaking? It's just lots of noise coming from you. Okay, and does anybody have any questions here?
I have a question. Well, it's about pronunciation. What about the last word, significantly? How you pronounce?
Okay, significantly.
Significantly, okay. It's easier than I thought. Okay. Thank you, Joshua.
You're welcome. And does anybody have any questions here? Okay. Let's skip that for now. We don't need to do those. We could do that. Let's come back to it maybe. Come on. Okay, let's try this. I think this is a good little exercise. Let's make it way smaller. Sorry, hold on. And let's have Ken. Can you read the directions?
Okay. Read the headline plus answer the question.
Okay. And all right, yeah, let's have Santiago. Can you read the headline and ask Ken this first question?
Okay. City analysts describe emerging markets as bubble economies. Question. Okay, Aka. Are these emerging markets a good long-term investment? Why or why not?
No, it's not for good long-term investment. If you buy it, invest in a bubble economy time, you need to clarify when is the proper timing to sell. sell it before bubble burst.
Before article?
Before the bubble burst.
Good. It's not a good long-term investment. If you invest during a bubble economy, so yeah, during. One suggestion.
During.
Yeah, good. And well done. Yeah, that is a perfect answer. Santiago, the first time you read emerging, it was a little bit off. The second time sounded great. Can you repeat it? Emerging?
Emerging.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay. Ken, can you read the next headline and ask Ali the next question?
Okay. Ali, what are on the edge of bear market in technology sales? Question. Will technology shares be sold or bought in increased numbers? Explain. Ali?
Yes. Technology sharing from. Yeah, I think because the technology may be when the technology run of time, maybe the prices of when you make a good are going to be down, and there's a lot of technology enhancement, so the pricing is going to be increase or going to be boom, because technology is in way to enhancement every day or every period of time.
All right, so we're on the edge of a bear market is the most important part. So if you go back, what page are we on? Shoot.
Are you going to fall or are going to increase? Because yeah, we are on bear. Yeah, now.
So this is a bear.
Yeah, they are decreasing.
Okay. Yeah, the prices are decreasing, and if you're on the edge, you're right here.
Yeah,
so
now
you're about to start that bear market. So technology shares be sold in increased numbers. Sold in increased numbers. Price will go down. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. All right. And so, yeah, that's a tricky one. Ali, can you read the next one and ask Anna Carolina the next question?
Yeah, sure. Economic boom set to run for years. Question: Will the demand in the economy increase or decrease?
Increase.
Why?
Because you told us that boom means increase.
Because that boom means increase. Okay. Yeah, I guess that's about it. Okay. All right. And does anybody have any questions here? All right, let's go on. Try a couple more of these, and then let's do a role play. Anna Carolina, can you read the next headline and ask Anatoly the next question?
Read the headline. Answer the question. New market about to go bust. Question. Will output increase or decrease?
As I understood from the previous slides, it means decrease of market.
Yes.
No?
Slides. It means how? Can you answer in complete sentence? Let's say
It means a decreasing of the market.
a decreasing. Let's say it means the market.
Decreases.
Future.
Will decrease.
Uh-huh. Good. We could even say the market output will decrease. But it's not necessary. Okay. Good. Good answer. And then Natalie, can you read the next headline and ask Rebecca the next question?
Okay. Bull market set to last all year. Rebecca, if you buy shares today and sell in a few months' time, will you make money?
Well, that is
Rebecca,
a
sorry, I'm gonna have to mute you just for a second. I'm not sure what's going on with your microphone. There is terrible noise that's coming out of it. So maybe try to unmute yourself and try one more time. I'm not sure what it is. But can you try one more time, Rebecca?
sorry, isn't because my computer.
Okay. Well, you're silent now. It's a really awful noise. But it looks like you've lost your connection, perhaps. Santiago, can you answer?
Okay. Okay. Well, I think it depends on with no on what company shares you buy, because I guess that if you invest in technology shares, you will make a lot of money in the next months.
Will make a lot of money. I mean, this doesn't really specify anything except for bull market set to last all year. So we don't want to be talking about tech shares or tech companies, or depending on what company you're in. If you invest in this bull market and sell in a few months, will you make money? The bull market is set to last all year.
Well, I suppose that yes, of course, because the bull market is always increasing. I suppose the values. So if you buy shares today in a bull market, I guess that in a few months' time you will make money because the market is increasing.
Good. Market is increasing. Exactly. So anything in this bull market is going up. It's going to last all year probably. So if you buy today and sell in a few months, you will, make money. Good. All right. Does anybody have any questions here?
About my answer, as I understood in the past, or should we use in the present? Understand.
As I understand from the previous slides, because you understand now.
Okay.
Okay,
thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. And cool. Does anybody have any other questions? All right, all right. Let's try a role play. And where are we? Santiago finished. Ken, can you read the first role?
You are a stockbroker, someone who helps people buy and sell stocks. The stock market just crashed and you're on the phone with an angry client. Try to calm your client down so they don't take their money out of your firm.
Good. And Ali, can you read the next role?
You are an investor. The stock market collapsed, and you had no idea that it would, and you are mad at your stockbroker, and you are thinking about pulling your money out of the market.
Good. All right. And Ken, if you are the stockbroker, how would you answer the phone?
Hello, this is a stockbroker company. How may I help you?
Good. And Ali?
Yes, please. Can you help me? I think that when I check my account, I see that my money is going to be and my share is going to be down. What's happening? Can you tell me?
My share is going to be down. Maybe like my stocks are crashing. Can you help me?
Yes.
Good. Okay. And Anna Carolina, how would you respond?
I'm sorry to hear that, but the country's economy is in a terrible phase, and one thing that I told you is that there is no warranty. So it happens. The stock market is a risky investment. It's not as safe as housing. As safe as housing. Uh, I've never promised you it was going to be a cash cow. Now, what do you have to do is waiting, and hopefully in the future they will go up again. But I advise you to not touch in your money, or even to not withdraw any single penny, because you may lose even more if you do that.
Because you may lose even more.
Yes, if you do that.
Good. And Anatoly, how would you respond?
Oh, I hate the day when I invested in your company. Please give my money back.
Nice. Okay. Oh, I hate the day when I invested in your company. Yeah, that's perfect. That would work really well. And Rebecca, how would you respond? Rebecca, are you there? Okay. Santiago, what about you? Can you respond?
Okay. Please keep calm. Don't be panic.
Don't panic.
Don't panic. Okay. I'm going to do as much as possible to recover um, your to say that your confidence. Yeah. Okay, that's fine.
Okay. That's it. Sorry, good. Ken, how would you respond?
Uh, I cannot trust your company because your company promised me, this bull market will continue will last all through the year, but it won. It didn't,
Good.
and I'm pretty mad at it.
I'm pretty
So
mad at it.
because
You're mad
I
at the
should be
stock
angry
market? I'm
at
pretty mad at.
at that.
Hmm,
Mad
I mean,
at
you could be mad about that, but you can't be mad at that. You could be mad at the company. I'm pretty mad at you
at
guys.
the company.
But I'm pretty mad about that. So like
About that.
that situation. You're mad about the situation, but you're mad at the people. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay.
So mad at your company.
Yeah.
Mm.
At your company. Oof. All right. So another maybe thing we could say angry with your company. Might sound a little bit better. I'm mad at your company is fine. Generally, we're mad at like individuals. You're mad at the people, the person.
I
You're
see.
mad about the situation. You're angry with the company.
Mhm.
Might sound better. So it's not bad to say angry at or mad at, but okay. Did you have anything else to say?
No, I'm mad enough now, maybe.
Okay. And Ali, how would you respond?
Yeah, I'm talking about your money now, and we have to uh, what happened. It's happened. No, we can. We have to think about your future, how to can recover your money, or even the low risk of your money. So
Mm,
yeah, the little of or can be making a low as possible as risk or as risky.
okay, so risking not risking as little as possible, or without risking too much. How we can recover the money without risking too much? How about that?
Yeah, and I have advice to you to keep your money now, and there will be a chance to the market will be boom again.
Okay, so I advise you to keep your money now, and there will be a chance that the market will boom again.
Yeah.
Okay. And maybe Anna Carolina, how would you respond?
Uh, tell that to the 5 mouths I have to support now. What I'm going to do? I'm desperate. I I had trusted on you, and now I'm bankrupt. My poor little children are starving. I used to use my interest in these investments to pay my expenses. I'm going to receive an eviction. I'm going to be evicted, and it's your fault. You have to help me. I I don't I don't have a a roof over my head anymore.
Nice. The beginning, what I'm going to do. How do you change that?
What am I?
Yeah, what am I going to do? Yeah, good. What am I going to do? And I think we're good. Maybe, Anatoly, how would you respond?
You know that market is going to move up and down constantly. Yesterday was a period of down, but tomorrow will be period of up for market. Don't be nervous. Keep calm, and your money will be safety in our hands.
Safe in our. That's good. That was good. And I think we're good. Let's go on. Does anybody have any questions here? Okay. Maybe let's find a comic to finish up with. Okay, let's look at this. And we finished with Anatoly. Rebecca, what is happening in this comic?
Sorry, but my computer is still making noise, and well, it's better keep the
Okay.
microphone off, you know.
It's actually not bad right now. You
Are you
sound
sure?
okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Well, I hear the noise, but
No, it's not too bad.
why it is comic portraying in terms of business? Why it's funny? Well, because everyone wants that, you know, is no the thing you can see is not the reality sometimes.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So it's a metaphor.
It's a metaphor. Okay. Maybe the thing you can see is not the reality sometimes. I would replace the thing you can with what you can see.
Yeah, much better, sure. Actually, I wouldn't be sure about that word, but, you know.
Okay. Oh, it's good. Santiago, can you explain a little bit more?
I think in this comic, the painter, in front of them, they are the bear market, but for him, um, he only can see the bull market. So maybe
Um,
it depends on the way that you see, no? Or
why can he only see a bull market? Why is he painting a bull market instead of a bear market?
maybe because he thinks that uh, things are going to be better in a few months or something like that. Maybe yeah, he trash in the market.
Okay. So he can see that it's a bear market and he's painting a picture of a bull.
Mm.
Is maybe Ken, can you add anything to that?
Maybe I guess this painter is a kind of symbolizes investor, and investors think bear market as bull market, so he will lose his money.
Ah,
No.
I mean, I think instead of a symbol for investors, I think it's a
Mhm.
symbol for bankers and
Bankers.
stockbrokers and companies.
How to manipulate people?
The public see the picture, and he sees the bear market. So he knows that it's a bear market, but he wants to show other people that it's a bull market, so they invest anyways. Give me your
Yeah.
money.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so the media, bankers, stockbrokers, companies, they all want bull markets. Sometimes they will even go so far as to deceive people so that people think it's a bull market. Anyways, that's what's going on here. We are out of time. Thank you guys for coming into class. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll see you soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Bye.
much.
Take
Bye.
Guys.
care. Bye bye, guys. Bye.